food review. Today we've gone to Hyde
Park
Shawarma
in Headingley.
Yes.
Just near, hang on, there on the corner, and down there is Brudenell Social Club.
So we have got a shawarma mix with some doner kebab, I think. And
Yes, chicken shawarma, doner meat.
we've got garlic sauce and chilli sauce in there.
On a naan bread with chips, I think,
And salad.
and salad. Let's have a look.
Oh, the bag is very sweaty. I'm just gonna do it like that.
See?
Looks nice.
It's decent that, and for that and the two drinks, it was $7.50.
So let's dig into this. So some kebab meat here. Let's have a good
Oh,
meat.
look at that!
Some nice looking kebab meat.
Yeah, go on. And he cut it straight off the upright spit, I don't know what they're called. They cut it straight off of that chicken and the doner, so it's not been sat in a hot plate or anything like that.
Ooh, it's spicy, but it's nice.
Is it?
Yeah. Get some of that salad.
Where's the chicken? Let's see if I can move around here a bit.
Got a bit here.
Oh, you got some chicken?
That's nice.
Is it nice?
That is nice, yeah. A chip hiding under here. I think it's got Cajun seasoning on there. I think I can
Oh
see
yeah,
some of that.
it's the chip seasoning. It's like paprika and things, isn't it? Something like that.
It's a good chip. Could have been more fluffy in the inside.
Is it? It's like those takeaway chips. Yeah, so let's try. Oh, as chips go, that's all right.
Yeah, but could have been a little bit more fluffy. This naan has got like so thin. Tastes nice though. Tastes nice, I like that.
Good. He put it on the flame and grilled it a little bit, which is a nice touch. What we're saying to the doner. What's the flavour on the doner meat like? Let me.
It's nice, yeah, it's nice. It's got some nice flavour.
Is it good? Ooh, just got a big picture of the inside of your gob then. Let's have a look at this chicken. Let's have a go. So that chicken looks, I can't see because of the sun. That chicken looks nice. Let's have a try. Oh, that's nice.
It's nice, yeah.
That chicken's really nice.
Yeah.
It's not dry. It's full of flavour.
Definitely.
The sauces on top are nice. That chili's got a good kick.
It does, yeah.
Yeah, it's got a good kick. Oh, what have we got above us, Jacob? We've got jet2.com.
Right, so this is a
Yeah, drink watch. What we got?
orange. It's probably just Fanta.
Mirinda. Can you open it? Use a struggle with these. You got it.
Right, so
What's it like?
it's kind of flat, right?
Is it? Let me try. Is it?
Tastes flat to me. It might be because there's a little bit of spice in my mouth.
It's not flat. It's just.
It just tastes a little bit.
That's
flat.
nice, is that? It's just
It's
not.
nice.
It's not really gassy.
Yeah.
You know, like your other ones. So let me try.
Might just because my mouth is a little bit.
Oh, look at that big bit. Oh,
Got a
bake me a
little
bit of that doner meat off, Jacob. There we go. That looks nice.
It's sauce is nice.
Donner meat's nice. It's not heavily spiced, it could have a bit more spice. Slightly dry, it does need the sauce on it. But, you know, mixed in with this chicken, because this chicken's good.
I know.
Chicken's nice.
If you live in Headingley, go get this.
Yeah. Excuse me. I mean, the price point, that there, which is a medium one, that was £5. I mean, £5 for 2 meats, chips, salad, sauces.
It's a good price.
And naan bread. I don't know, that's good. I don't know what time they open till, but if you were crashing out of Rudnell Social Club down there after a good night and went in there, I think you'd be happy with that for a £5. I can't argue with that. Drink watch on me is always a funny one, because I hate cherries, but I love cherry Pepsi Max, and I have said that before. I don't like cherry Coke. Can't stand cherry Coke, but cherry
Because
Pepsi
it
Max,
tastes like cherries.
because it tastes like cherries, and cherry Pepsi Max doesn't.
At least it tastes like how it's supposed to. I like cherry Coke though.
Yeah, you do, I do. So that, yeah, I like cherry Pepsi Max. So, what we're saying, if you heard that, excuse me if you did.
Look
What
at
we're
that.
saying on the,
Get a seating on that trip.
yeah, it's decent, it's good. It's what we're saying on the score front then.
It's nice that. So 8.6.
8-6.
8.6. That's a good score. That's a good score. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's if I got that, what a £5, I'd be really happy with that. I can't argue with that. What about your orange drink?
I like it. Give it an 8.2.
8-2.
Yeah. I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this. Yeah.
Yeah, you're good with that. Nice one. Well, that's that's another review done. Nice little corner shop out of the way. I'd imagine it gets very busy. It's very studenty around here. And when we went in there was a couple of people came in, so you know he's open early enough. It's good as that. I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So be good.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the food review. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, check out my other channel, RoboJaky5 on YouTube, check out my Twitch. Spice to my throat. RoboJaky5 Gaming, if you want to see some gaming with live streams. Go check out our website, jacobsfoodreview.com. I will see you champions in the next one. Goodbye!